2013 Honda CRF 450R comes with air forks, and it's a new technology, and there's been a lot of questions about how you can adjust it. We have in stock these DRC fork pumps that allow you can attach to the Schrader valve up here without any air loss. Gives you really fine adjustment. It takes about 3 or 4 pumps to change the pressure by about 1 psi. There's also a bleeder on here, so you can bleed down to the pressure you want. One thing we have found, if you've got like pro tapers or any kind of fat bar, you're going to need this angle adapter to get in without having to take your bars off. This is a really cool device. This is sold separately from the pump, but we do have both in stock. The main feature about this that makes it so effective on these is once you've pumped it up to the pressure you want, you can just unscrew the chuck and there's 0 air loss, as you can see here. Our bike came from the factory with 30 psi in both fork legs, and put it back on here quick. You'll see it should go right back up to about 30 psi. The main advantage of the air fork is the ability to change the spring rate without having to change the springs. Your manual will list different air pressures for your different weights, and you can experiment with different track conditions and just easily adjust your spring rate right on in the pits. Takes just about 2 minutes to do and is very effective, and it's really nice weight saving improvement on the 2013s. We'll have these available on our website at crfstuff.com. Thanks.